Hi and welcome back to another video of Daniel and John. Today we're looking at a draw hoe for your garden, made by Magnusson, bought from D&JLife.com for the price of £26 in May 2023. So what we got? We've got painted hoe plate and curved handle, which is attached to a wooden handle by two heavy duty rivets. Got a nice logo, comfortable soft grip at the top, and basically it's for helping us do this. So you can just get all your weeds and grab them. You can use it for other things for doing this as well if you want to, when you're allotting things, but we primarily bought it for this, to get rid of these weeds quickly. See how easy it is. Over time and from experience, this will improve because this edge, as you're using it, will get sharper. You could even sharpen it up if you wanted to, but it will get sharper as it gets used. But you can see how easy it is to reach these weeds, and especially if you're a little bit older, that's going to help you quite a bit. And then they'll just go in the
compost bin, right?
Compost bin.
Yeah.
She's doing quite well. Look, if you look at that one there, how tough that is there. It's been here quite a while, so and
that's
then
cleared that area in sort of a matter of under a minute, hasn't it?
So
and you can get between everything without damaging the plants.
Yeah.
You know,
it's just a lot easier. There you go. Look. So,
just a quick review on that, just in case you're thinking about buying one.
I mean, 26 quid. 2023, everything's expensive. This handle looks lacquered as well.
It shouldn't fall to bits, should it? So,
if you want convenience and you're a bit old and you need to get something, you need to buy the tools. So
we've got other tools of these Magnusson, and they are pretty good.
Rake, we've got another video on the rake quite a while ago, and that's been absolutely fantastic.
We've done a lot with it, haven't we?
Yeah, heavy duty work as well. So that's why we went for this brand again. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like, we appreciate that. Thank you.